There are a few things you have to know that not everybody can be a leader. So, the moment you realize this fact, it will help you a lot in saving your time, doing what you are exactly doing, and that will give you a better direction to at least be something in your space. So, I believe that most of you have seen the success story of developer founder, that how they started with nothing and right now they have everything. And you have also seen a lot of Instagram reel video where coder making videos explaining about the code structure, and before the video start they just displaying some random video of a girl dancing or something like that. I hope you guys have watched those kind of video. So you have to prioritize yourself that what you want to consume, because on the social media there are two type of audience you will have. One is the crowd, and the other one is who actually getting some benefit. You have to decide that which spectrum you are in. If you want to be a crowd, that's very easy. Just go through that and spend your time just like useless without thinking much that what you're exactly doing. A lot of you guys have this question that like his success, he's having a great job, great project, he has good name in the industry. He has done a lot of things for that. And most of you are simply constantly focusing about him or what he is doing. Instead of focusing on yourself, you are giving too much focus to that person, because everybody journey is different from one another. Like he is good in something, you are good in something else. So you have to know the moment you realize, it will save a lot of your time, it will give you the right direction to start, and keep focus on your priority. If you want to become a blockchain developer, focus on that. Don't think about that the crypto is down, there is a lot of negativity in the blockchain, so I'm not getting into that. If you have interest, because coding is a long term interest, it's not just for making a quick money. Obviously there are developers, they make a lot of money, but not everybody is making that money. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. If you are into that top 1%, you will get a lot of money no matter in which spectrum you are in, whether you are in web3, AI, or web development, application development. If you are a good developer, you will have a lot of respect in the industry, you will have a good opportunity, and you will be earning a maximum amount of money as per your capability. Right now a lot of you have this complaint that the market is saturated, there is a lot of developers are available, and there is no much job. A lot of companies have laid off a lot of their employees. But you have to ask yourself that one question, that why the company laid off those employees. Why? That's the question you have to ask yourself. What kind of value they're bringing into the table? If you are working in a company and if you are not making enough money for the company, then why the company would hire you? I know a lot of Web3 developer or Web2 developer, they're working in the industry for the last couple of years, but they have never worked on actual project. I know recently I take a consultancy with a young dude, like he was working in a Web3 company, like DeFi organization, where he was just working on the front end, but he wanted to become a Web3 developer, but he had never got a chance to work on the smart contract, that how DeFi protocol work. You have to realize yourself that what is your position in the industry, in the company, and what kind of value you can bring. If a company hire you as a front-end developer and you are just fixing the small button here and there, and they're paying you like 30K or 40K or 50K, then why anybody would pay you? Because right now we have a lot of automation which we can implement, and we can have a quick result, more options, without paying any extra money to anybody. So depending on your skill level, if you have the low level skills, definitely you are a easy replaceable. So due to this AI, what is happening? Like those work are very repetitive in nature. It's getting out of the market. Why anybody would hire you to do the same repetitive thing without any creativity? If that's the company goal to have the same process over and over again, why they would not hire the AI to do that? In that way, they don't need to pay extra money. They have to take the subscription, and they will give all the work to the AI, and it's going to do it quicker with accuracy. So why they not do that? So first you have to analyze yourself. Again, I'm telling you, analyze yourself that what position you hold in the market. What is your market value? Because you are not the one who going to decide that how much money worth. It's ultimately the market who decides. If you bring enough money on the table for the company, they are definitely willing to pay you much. So before you apply for a job, before you apply for a company, try to analyze that what kind of company you are going to work for. If you work under a founder, they're not willing to spend much money on the employee for enhancing the product, then definitely you're going to get a less amount. But if you go to the product based company, they are very dedicated to the innovation, they're building more product, more feature, and they're giving very much focus on the employee in the product, then they're going to pay you very good amount of money if you're going to bring something or develop something which can increase their revenue. So these are the lot of factors are involved for getting a good paying job, to becoming a good developer in the industry. So never ever compare yourself with anyone that he is good, he's bad, he's making a lot of money, I'm not making it, I'm not good enough, there is no job. There is tons of job available. It's depend that how much capability you have to grab those opportunity. That's the ultimate factor. A lot of you are saying that web development is saturated because this AI is in the boom. Why anybody is going to hire a developer to build a website? I know there are certain work which AI can do. Right now the AI is not fully capable of delivering a functional website. If you want to build a small application with no customization, definitely it can do that. But if you want to build a bigger application, a SaaS business, then you need to work on that. Then you need a developer who can understand your business requirement. If you look at this AI model, LM model, what happened? They're limited to the commands which you can provide. Remember, if the AI has to write like thousands of code, does it do it? Right now, I don't think it's capable enough to do that. In case in future it can, but you cannot scare that that's happening in the field of AI and you're going to take that. Just focus on your skill. Like, I don't know how many of you have heard about this platform WordPress. Like, it's there for the last decade. So if a non-coder can also build a website, and there is a lot of platform already exist in the past which allow the user to come and create their website. For example, I'm a founder and I have to create a business. I have an idea and I want to produce that particular application which I want to deliver the service to my client. So just imagine that I'm using this chat GTP or advanced LLM model for designing the application. I'm not going to sit and do everything. I will give the command, it's going to generate with the boilerplate. But what if I want to do the modification? Can give you the code, but still you need someone who can take that entire code, build the pipeline, deploy to the servers, handle all those jargon which takes place under the hood. Building an application is not an easy task. There is a lot of things goes. Just remember that these kind of advancement in technology will happen in every single decade. If you try to closely analyze that what happened in the past, when the dot-com boom came, then Bitcoin came, and right now we are going through this AI phase. Everybody's talking about the AI because it's an exciting topic. I know it's an exciting topic. You can easily utilize this AI to build an amazing product. You can build amazing product using this AI on the blockchains. The reason why I not publish the AI related more video on the blockchain, because like the ChatGPT 4 is very advanced and it can give you a lot of options to customize and plug in, which you can integrate in the website to design a beautiful application, a powerful application which you can build. So this model will help you to enhance your efficiency. That's the thing you have to understand. It's not here to replace you. If you're doing a mediocre job, like doing copy and paste, then definitely it will do. But if you are bringing something valuable to the company, doing something really good, if you're just simply adjusting a button on the website and the company is paying 40K or 30K, then why they need you? So that's the question you have to ask yourself. This AI will help you to enhance your efficiency. It's not here to replace you. These kind of model will come and will become more powerful in the future. Like, this particular model is not only limited to the coding. Right now you can generate code. It doesn't mean that there is no need of developer. Still you need developer. This model can utilize extensively in the field of artificial intelligence, like healthcare systems. If you try to analyze that how it's going to change the entire ecosystem of health industry, there I find the maximum change. Just imagine that you give this all information about the user, about the patients, where it can analyze the entire history of the patient, and then it will give you all the possibility that what kind of system will be like occur to this particular patients based on his lifestyle. In that scenario, it's going to give you a lot of benefit in terms of research. So it's happening in every single industry right now. You probably have seen almost 100 to 200 websites which are delivering this service, where you can go and create images, video, audio. These are the just a minor one. They are just scratching the surface of the AI model, but it's had a huge implementations and huge implication if you know how to utilize it. It's only here to help you to enhance your productivity. If you're working as a smart contract and if you have an idea of any product, try to use it. Try to take the suggestion that what exactly it's giving you the idea. If you want to build a smart contract for a specific industry, ask ChatGPT. He's going to write it. It's going to tell you these are the possibility exist. Take those idea and build on top of that. In that way, what will happen? Because you are bringing value to the company. That's the thing you have to understand. And for God said, you have to prioritize your time, where you are spending your time. Trust me, you will not learn anything watching this reel. In those reel, they will teach you about the coding and those tricks. You will forget. Unless or until you will not sit properly, you will not build something actual, you will forget. So you have to know where you are spending your time. Take their advice and be a little suspicious. Try to analyze that whatever they are saying, whether it's compatible with you or not, whether you can easily able to carry that forward, whether you have that kind of skills or knowledge or not, because no one is doing anything for free. They are showing you this number which is not real, but you guys come into the trap and you feel like, wow, this dude is really so awesome, like he's saying that bold statement, that's really impressive. But the moment you start spending time in the industry, you will know that what is happily happening in the industry, and all these bold statements are absolutely useless. So all those bold statements for a specific audience, and you are that particular audience because you are constantly taking those advice without putting any question mark. And this is happening because you are early in the learning stage, you are learning, you have no experience for the industry. That's why you are into this trap. So when it's come to learning and it's a technical thing, then you have to give time. Don't go on this bold statement which they make, because when you will come to the industry, you will realize, when you will work for the 5 years, like when you will work for the 5 years and when you will see those statement, you will find that that's a useless, it has no importance in the industry. So again, that's the only thing I would like to tell you, that be conscious. Whenever you get any advice, try to analyze yourself, because we all are different in nature, we are all are different in capability, financial condition, family condition, mental condition, everything is different. So try to analyze that. On the basis of that, you have to be practical. Be practical. And that way you will go in the long run, and that will help you a lot from going in wrong direction and getting into some kind of trap. I hope you guys can understand that what trap I'm talking about. Okay, try to be a little conscious for every single thing which you see online and which you consume in your day-to-day life. So see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.